Zhejiang Zhuxin Machinery Company Limited, was established in February 2004 and is a comprehensive manufacturer specializing in mechanical research and development production, sales, and after-sales service. We have film blowing machine, plastic bag making machine, paper bag making machine, flexographic printing machine, packaging machine, high-speed paper bag making machine speed, can reach 400 PCS per minute. We have 5-layer film blowing machine, cellophane film packing machines, and hydraulic punching machines. We have approximately 22 years of industry experience and currently hold a CE certificates. Our factory is located in Pingyang County, Wenzhou City, about 40 kilometers away from Wenzhou Airport. Every year we participate in plastic and packaging exhibitions in China, Thailand, the Philippines, Brazil, and Malaysia. Our machines have been shipped to Nigeria, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Mexico, Russia, and 20 other countries. We ship approximately 100 machines to other countries every month. Adhering to the spirit of pursuing perfection and building integrity, we provide lifelong maintenance for all sold machines. Our machines have ready-made markets, both domestically and internationally, winning the trust and support of our customers. We will make every effort to provide better products and services for all customers. If you are interested in machines, please contact us and provide your detailed specifications and requirements. We have a professional R&D team. We can accept OEM and ODM. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits.